Well, hey guys, I've got a few new parts for the Spitfire project that I've brought from Rimmer Brothers just to tidy up the interior of the car. So we've got two new parcel trays, which the old ones are currently just falling to pieces, so this is going to tidy up the interior quite a bit. We've got two new crash rails. Again, old ones are just falling apart, so just saving time, just buying new ones, fitting them. It's just going to save a lot of messing about. I've got a new transmission tunnel. This is a plastic one, so it's going to be a lot stronger than the old cardboard one that's currently fitted to the car, and hopefully will last the lifetime of the car. And I've won on eBay a new H-frame, which is in a lot better condition than the one I've currently got in the car, and it's got a few less holes in the back, and also somebody at some point has gone to the trouble of recovering this one, so again saving me a bit of time having to recover my own one. So anyway, let's get the old stuff out and the new stuff fitted to the car. Right then, the first thing I'm going to do is remove the passenger seat, and doing this just gives me a little bit more room when it comes to removing the transmission tunnel and also the other gubbins all around. So let's get the seat out and start ripping out all the interior. Well, it really does make you realise what sort of condition all the parts are in when you remove them from the car. Just looking at the passenger side glove box here, it's all ripped and worn out, and the vinyl's coming off here, and it's just really quite tatty, so I'm glad I'm replacing that. The driver's side glove box is all sagged. Again, I'm glad that I'm replacing it, but I'm taking it out. I remembered I've actually got this little fillet plate which goes between the steering column and the H-frame, so we'll get that fitted. And the underside little bit here, again, all the vinyl's coming off and the felt has come off the back of the metal. It could all be repaired, but I've got new parts anyway to fit, so I'm not too worried. The transmission tunnel, as you can see, is missing half of its top. And the top half here, again, it's all ripped, it's worn out, but in its favour, it has still got the little footrest on the side. So we'll be fitting that to the new transmission tunnel and getting this all ready to fit to the car with the new fixing kit. So before we do start rebuilding everything and putting it back in place, it's quite interesting to see the original colour of this car, the white paint behind the glove box, which it left the factory with in 1967. Now, a lot of my long-term subscribers will know that I'm going to be repainting this car, and it won't be red, nor will it be white. It'll be another colour, which I've already decided on. So just a couple more jobs before we can start rebuilding. Just got to take off these clips around the transmission tunnel so I can replace them with new ones, and then we can put the transmission tunnel back in, new glove boxes back in, seat back in place, and then we'll be job done. Well, there we are. That's the interior looking ever more complete. There's still a few jobs to be done inside the car, such as repainting the ashtray, the air vents, redoing the dash top, and a few other little jobs here and there. The eagle eye viewer will have noticed that I didn't actually put a grommet in the transmission tunnel, and there's a good reason for that, and that's because I'm going to be redoing the carpets in the car anyway, because they're quite tired and worn out. But for now, I'm really pleased with how the car's looking, and it's just progressing a little bit further forward. So anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.